Hello my beautiful viewers, you are highly welcome. Into this tutorial we are going to be differentiating this function here with respect to x. But they say with respect to x, that is you are looking for dy dx. We have x equals y to the y e to the power of y with respect to x. So it means that solution, we have x equals y e to the power of y. Now, how are we going to find dy dx? Dy dx. Okay, how are we going to do it? Before I do anything for you, please, I want you to share this. Let people see what you are doing here. Try to encourage me. Encourage me. Because, and also, if you don't know, you see this cap I'm wearing, I'm selling it. Montani. Ìwọ tó bá fẹ́ rẹ̀, ó ti yé, DM. Tó bá fẹ́, bóyá lọ́pọ̀, or fẹ́ like dozen, I will sell it for you. So owó yẹn ò dẹ̀ gara púpọ̀, kò gara. Ó ti yé. So now let's see how we can solve this now. Let's go back to the class. So now x is equal to y e to the power of y. Now what are we going to do here? We want to differentiate. Therefore, we're going to have d dx of x equals d dx of y e to the power of y. Now, you know that the left hand side, if you want to differentiate this one, this is x. So that one will give us 1. We're going to have 1 here. If you differentiate x, we're going to have 1. But here now, look at this. We don't even have x here at all. So you use what? You use your brain. Because whenever you are differentiating function y with respect to x, definitely after differentiating, you have to multiply it by dy dx. And that's what we are going to use there. So now here, we are going to differentiate y. Then e to the power of y will become a constant. So we're going to have what? We're going to have e to the power of y, because we differentiated what? Y. And that will give us 1. So 1 times e to the power of y. Are you getting it now? Plus, you are now going to, don't forget that is function y. You must put your dy dx. I almost forgot. Also, plus, you differentiate, you keep y as constant. Then you differentiate e to the power of y. And when you differentiate e to the power of y, will still give us e to the power of y. So we're going to have e to the power of y. Don't forget that it is function y we are still differentiating. Then you have dy dx. Yes. From here, at the paration now, we are done. Now, we're going to see that we have dy dx here, dy dx here. Just try to have it like dy dx, factor it out. We have e to the power of y. 1 times e to the power of y, we have e to the power of y. Then plus y e to the power of y. All, okay, I don't have this. I don't have to do this. We have 1 here. So now the next thing you are going to do is that you are going to have dy dx is going to be 1 all over, because we are going to divide through by this. E to the power of y plus y e to the power of y. Now, when you look at this, you see that dy dx is going to be 1 over. You can still go further by e to the power of y is common. E to the power of y into 1 plus what? Y. So we can write it like this. You can write it like this. Then you leave your answer like this. So our derivative dy dx with respect to x is 1 over e to the power of y, 1 plus y. If you find the class very interesting, please do not hesitate to share. Share. Magic because see the way I'm sweating. So you have to share this. You have to share it. You must share it, please. Kindly share now. Aha. Or else, I will not come and do this again. No.